Hello, welcome to hashtag Makers Creative Collab Video Hop, hosted by PM Artist Studio YouTube channel. So the theme this month was Bring on the Blooms, and I got the great idea of painting flowers with flowers. I've never done this before, so this is an experiment, painting flowers with flowers, and I used Dr. P.H. Martin's India inks in the family, the pinks and purple color family. And this is a total experiment. And I'm painting on a canvas board, which provided a very nice, the canvas texture provided a very nice contrast to the organic flower shapes. And the rough texture of the canvas was kind of hard to print on. I was like basically trying to do flower stamping flowers with the stamping flower shapes with the flowers, and I found it was easier to, it would have been easier if it was a smoother surface like that plate that I'm using. The stamps would have come out easier, and I found that the little bit of the rough surface of the canvas was a challenge for doing this. And this canvas board is just only one part of my creation. You're gonna see what I'm going to create with this one canvas board. I'm gonna add other elements to this. So here is the finished canvas. Now this is just one part of my creation, and this was the finished design. I painted a glaze of blue acrylic paint in the background, and I used gold paint through a mandala stencil. And here's a close-up zooming out from it. And yeah, the mandala stencil I felt was floral type design. And here you can really see the texture of the canvas is really awesome. Awesome contrast with the organic shapes of the blooms. And I'm going to show you in a few minutes, I'm going to keep showing you different elements of my creation, and then you're going to see in the end how I put it all together. Now, here's a stretch canvas about 10 by 12 inches. And I used alcohol inks to create a kind of like floral design. I mean, not really, it's like abstract floral. I feel like that pink in the top right corner is the thing that looks most like a flower there. And then again using gold paint through a mandala stencil still is like a abstract floral type design. So this one is my second canvas. And now here's a third canvas. Now this is back to a canvas board. And I repeated that kind of stamped floral design in the background with a dark purple. And then gold paint through a stencil again. Now you see a little canvas over top of that canvas I just showed. These are two canvases together. Okay, now this is a close-up of a little 5 by 7 inch canvas board where I used gold paint through a floral type stencil. And now here you see a fifth canvas, which is a canvas board, again about 10 by 12 inches. I have used a lotus flower stencil and painted gold paint through the lotus flower stencil, and then used some pink metallic acrylic paints for that pinkish color. And now you see all 5 canvases assembled together. So this is the total creation, and the idea is I will eventually mount this on a 2x4, and that is the way that you can hang it on a wall. All those 5 canvases will be adhered to a 2x4 piece of lumber. And I've done this one other time many years ago, and I'm revisiting this style, actually. So I actually want to work in a series of creating more of these in different colors and designs. So thank you so much for watching, and please, after this video, click on the end screen, and it will take you automatically to the next amazing artist in this video hop. Thank you so much for watching.